Y'all, this is the moment I have been waiting for. She is here. She has arrived. And I know I'm going to just love her. I know I'm going to fall in love. Okay, are y'all ready to share the moment with me? Let's do it. Let's take her out of her crib. Okay, might be one more word than I thought. Hold on. Give me my baby. Give her to me now. Give it. Oh, y'all just okay. Where was I? Such a lady. There we go. That's more like it. Try to keep her from me. There we go. Get out of the way. Come on, honey. Come to the bed. Mama. How are you? Are you okay in there? Let's get you out. I'm just going to use one hand. Yeah, that's not going to work. Hold on. That's better. Hold on. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is that, Duxbury. Wavelength. The Sandstorm. Wavelength, okay? This is the back for me. And this is the front. Get off, baby. Get off of her. Turn the umbilical cord. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just playing, y'all. All right, y'all. Look at her. Look at her. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, that phone's looking. Get out the way. Here's her straps. Okay. Now, if you know me, you already know that I will make this as a what? A belt. Yes. So stay tuned for that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Of course, she has the key holder. And this is the dust bag. And you know, I will travel with this and make it a what? Laundry bag. Or whatever I need it to be at the moment. Alright, so there's the inside. Of course. And typical Brahmin style. It has a large zippered pocket on this other side. Okay. And of course, register all your bags, y'all. Do it, just do it, okay? Because why not? The feet. I am in love with her. I am in love with this bag. Tell me what you guys think, okay? I'm married. And this is the Sandstorm Wavelength. I am married. And we're out. Sorry this was so long.